Oh, sorry, back in the room. How are we doing? So today I've got a fantastic post-workout smoothie for you, which is incredible. It's really going to help rebuild your muscles, gain energy back, bursting with essential fatty acids. It's a winner. So we've got half a cup of homemade oat milk, half a cup of coconut water, bursting with electrolytes, 1 banana, half an avocado, a selection of frozen berries. I tend to use blueberries and strawberries, and some seeds. I've got their pumpkin seeds and also sunflower seeds. So I put all that together. You give it a quick blast, a quick blend up. Oh, almost forgot the yogurt. So a couple of spoonfuls of natural yogurt. Give that a blend up, pour over some ice. It's a real thick one. It's really going to keep you full and recover.